I have an idea.
I'm all ears. Let's hear it.
Let's take everyone back in time 5 years to where it all began. Great idea. We could call it all up on the rangefinder.
I recently installed a new scissor mechanism. Let's try it. Oh, that works great. It will make it visible to everyone.
Yeah, sort of like a drive-in movie. We could pass out some turkey legs. I think some arty guy first drew us as cartoon characters.
Put some cartoons in the rangefinder. I heard it was a closed Facebook group called the Sketchables.
Put Facebook in the rangefinder. Does anyone know when this happened?
I'm pretty sure it was the second half of November 2015.
That should be enough information. Let's see what happens when it's triangulated. Hey, there's our first sketch.
What else happened in 2015?
Not much, but in 2016 we really took off. Our first big adventure was in a science fiction film. Our second big adventure was what brought us here. Let's take a look.